Hey guys, if you want to know how I achieved this Pop Smoke inspired look, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sifra. If it's your first time here, make sure to click that red subscribe button down there. Make sure to give me a like and click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, as you saw by the title, I'm doing delayed Pop Smoke braids, feed-in braids. So yes, this hairstyle has been trending on YouTube, so I thought why not do it on myself. What you need for this hairstyle is some edge control, some mousse for the end. This is essential, but I use this on my hair. Yes, this is still a staple in my hair care regimen. I add this to my scalp so my scalp doesn't appear dry. The braids I'm going to use on my hair is the Expression. This is in number 2. I'm going to use 1 pack because I still have some leftover braids from my previous braiding hairstyle. And yeah, so before I begin, I have a hack that I like to show you guys. So this is how I keep the hair separated on a hanger, so it's easier to pick up and start braiding rather than having the whole bundle of hair and keep parting the hair. So a hair hack, add it on a hanger. I will be doing a total of 8 braids, 4 at the front and 4 at the back. Start the braiding process. So first I begin by parting my hair in the middle. Something I've discovered on a braiding channel, they said to put wax or edge control on your parting to make your parting very neat. So that's what I did. If you're going to braid this on your own, get you a mirror to see if the parting at the back of your hair is straight. So as I told you guys, I'm going to have a total of 8 braids. 4 of those braids are going to be at the front, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. 2 of those braids are going to fall in front of my ear, and the remaining 2 are going to fall at the back of my ear. I don't know if it's clear to you guys, but that's the simplest way I can explain it to you. So I add edge control on each section of my hair to include all the flyaways on my edges to have a neat and clean braid. So I start braiding with my own hair, then section by section I add pieces of hair underneath from where I'm braiding. That's how it forms a feed-in braid. I tried to do the stitch method, but it was too difficult, so that's why I didn't do it on the rest of my hair. So this is my first braid. It came off very nice and neat. This braid falls on my hip. And yeah, now I'm going to do the rest of my hair, so keep watching, guys. I'm so happy with the result. It's neat. It came out precisely the way I wanted it. So this is the style. Pop Smoke inspired look. As I said, I did a total of 8 braids, 4 at the front and 4 at the back. This hairstyle took me about 2 hours with breaks in between because my butt was hurting, my back was hurting, so I had to take breaks. I had to take snack breaks, and yeah. But comment down below if I did a great job. Rate this hairstyle from 1 to 10. Be generous, okay? If you want to see more of me, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post every Thursday, so make sure you stay tuned, and see you in my next video, you guys. Bye guys.